Let's go. And we're up. Okay, this is the tester site we made for the client. And that's it. So we picked a couple websites. I will include those in the description below. And now that we have this, we can send this off to the client, see what they think. And if they like it, we'll ding it for them and finish the rest and create. You have someone who's interested in a website and you want to send them a quick design example of what that website might look like for them. Well, I've created a skill where you can grab something really quick, a website, a design, whatever, and you can turn that into a website for minimal tokens, and you can send that to them or send them a version of that so that way they can check it out. So I'm showing my whole thing here, and this is an example. So this is someone I found with an older website. You can see it's not super special, and we're just going to do this really easily. Now, the one thing I have found is there's a lot of these people who pay for Yellow Pages, and they do such a poor job, Yellow Pages, of handling clients in general, and they charge a lot. So anyone with this Yellow Pages thing on here, I don't know what it's like in most of the states, but whatever that happens to be for you guys in your local area, huge opportunity, because these guys, they're just a big company. They don't treat these guys exceptionally well. They charge them a lot for what they get, what they actually receive. Different. So the skill that I have is, it's called WordPress Next.js. This is a premium skill to my school community for paid members. I also have a bunch of free skills. I'll probably be showcasing one of those as well, but we'll walk through it. So I'm going to grab this. Here is the website URL. So now I gave it the site. I've said, hey, have a look at the site. Just collect the information we need. When after we're done this, we're going to send this information to the client with that data. That's a bit of a play. So what we're doing is we're just hunting down some inspiring designs that we can use to help us with this. Because the more we can find, kind of the easier all of this gets. This one keeps jumping out at me. Or it scrolls through that. This is kind of cool. It's pretty simple and it's probably pretty fun for them. So we're gonna go with this. I found some websites that I want to build this homepage from. So the goal is to just build a homepage and see if the client likes it and would like to update their site. Yes. And also I want you to collect images from Pexels API, whatever you need that doesn't currently exist on there. See a pain. I know there is value in creating your own photography and all that kind of stuff, but it's not necessary all the time. All of these skills, some of them are free in my school, some of them are paid in my school. And if you do pay, you also get a free one-on-one each week with myself while I go through, train you to do anything that you are trying to do. If you want to run a business like myself in web design, advertising, email, any of that stuff, I will literally train you how to do that. You want to build a full website, all you have to do is throw up a skill. And I'm always updating these skills. Every time I do another build, these skills get stronger and better. It's, let's see what it came with. Okay, this is the new website. This is pretty cool. This is it. And most of the work is actually already done, because from here, the main design is completed and kind of, we want to get the client approval on it too. We just move forward, right? So that's the big win. And you know what? Now we have this. We could actually find a bunch of sign companies and do a bunch of cold calls and be like, hey, do you want an updated website? Like, how do you feel about that? Yeah, it's cooking. Oh, this looks so good. Man, that is cool. Right. Oh, look at this menu now. That's cool. We're not in the middle of the button. Okay, you give me the location that this tester site is located in the files. And now I'm going to show you fun part of what I'm going to do here is I'm going to attach this to my current site so that way I can send the client to my current site. You don't need 80 other $10 subscriptions or anything like that. Let's go. And we're up. Okay, this is the tester site we made for the client. And that's it. So we picked a couple websites. I will include those in the description below. And now that we have this, we can send this off to the client, see what they think. And if they like it, we'll ding it for them and finish the rest and create. And you're an absolute legend. If you want this stuff, if you want one-on-ones, if you want the skill that I use, to turn these websites into a tester website. Just one skill, one click, and you're done. You don't need to know or learn or think about anything else. I have it there for you. It's in the School community, which, by the way, if you want to check out the School community, see where it is. It's AI for SEO. This is where you need to be. We have some members coming online. We have people already here. We have stuff. And in the classroom, what you'll see here is getting started, AI for SEO, what you need for AI maxing, getting started, start here, academy guide, and free starter skills here. And then the premium skills, which I'm building now, which will include this search console skill. This is going to be premium. And then this one here, I'm going to be adding this one now. So if you want access to this and a bunch of other ones, check out the School community, links in the description. And yeah, comment and I will give you some tips and tricks and some code for you to use yourself. Especially because thank you for staying to the end. Just comment me up with a skill and I will send you a skill, but only on this video. This is the only video where you will get the skill for free. Otherwise, you have to come to the school. And who wouldn't want to come to school? My school's awesome. You're gonna have a great time. Bunch of people. We're all learning and making money. Anyways, have a great day and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.